Namaste and welcome to Learning Nepali. It's me Ruthmeri Shrestha. In today's lesson, we will compare both formal and informal speech in all persons. By the end, you will know how to talk with your friend casually and politely with elders or in formal situations. In English, verbs don't really change in formal and informal. The main difference is in style, using contractions or not, and choosing polite words. But in Nepali, formality is changed into grammar. The pronoun and the verb ending changes. For example, let's take the verb to go, which means जानु, जानु in Nepali. Let's start with present tense. In Nepali, present tense means वर्तमान काल, वर्तमान काल. For example, I go. In English, both formal and informal speech is same. In Nepali, I go, we say म जान्छु, म जान्छु, which also remains same in both formal and informal speech in Nepali. Next is you go. In English, the formal and informal speech is same for you go, but in Nepali, in informal form, तिमी जान्छौ, तिमी जान्छौ. But in formal form or in formal speech, we say तपाईं जानुहुन्छ, तपाईं जानुहुन्छ. Similarly, he goes or she goes. In English, it remains same. But in Nepali, in formal form, for male, he goes. In informal form, ऊ जान्छ, ऊ जान्छ. And for female, she goes. In informal form, उनी जान्छिन्, उनी जान्छिन्. But in formal speech, for he or she goes, we say उहाँ जानुहुन्छ, उहाँ जानुहुन्छ. Next is we go. In Nepali, we say हामी जान्छौँ, हामी जान्छौँ, which also remains same in formal and informal speech. Next is they go. In Nepali, in informal speech, we say उनीहरू जान्छन्, उनीहरू जान्छन्. But in formal speech, we say उहाँहरू जानुहुन्छ, उहाँहरू जानुहुन्छ. Second is past tense. In Nepali, we say भूतकाल, भूतकाल. Now let's go to the sentence examples. First, I went. In Nepali, we say म गएँ, म गएँ, which remains same in both formal and informal speech. Next is you went. In Nepali, in informal form, we say तिमी गयौ, तिमी गयौ. But in formal form, we say तपाईं जानुभयो, तपाईं जानुभयो. For he or she went. In informal form, for male, he went. In Nepali, ऊ गयो, ऊ गयो. And for female, she went. In Nepali, for informal speech, we say उनी गइन्, उनी गइन्. But in formal form, he or she went, we say उहाँ जानुभयो, उहाँ जानुभयो. Next is we went. In Nepali, हामी गयौँ, हामी गयौँ. which remains same for both informal and formal speech. For they went in Nepali, for informal speech we say उनीहरू गए. उनीहरू गए. But in formal form we say उहाँहरू जानु भयो. उहाँहरू जानु भयो. Now future tense. In Nepali we say भविष्यत काल. भविष्यत काल. Let's go to the sentence example. I will go. In Nepali म जाने छु. म जाने छु, which remains same for both informal and formal speech. You will go. In Nepali, in informal speech we say तिमी जाने छौ. तिमी जाने छौ. But in formal form we say तपाई जानु हुने छ. तपाई जानु हुने छ. For he or she will go. In informal speech, for male, he will go. In Nepali, ऊ जाने छ. ऊ जाने छ. And for female, she will go. In Nepali, in informal speech, we say उनी जाने छिन्. उनी जाने छिन्. But in formal form, he or she will go. In Nepali, we say उहाँ जानु हुने छ. उहाँ जानु हुने छ. Next is we will go. In Nepali, हामी जाने छौ. हामी जाने छौ, which remain same for both formal and informal speech. Next is they will go. In Nepali, in informal form, we say उनीहरू जाने छन्. उनीहरू जाने छन्. But in formal form, we say उहाँहरू जानु हुने छ. उहाँहरू जानु हुने छ. Here is some difference between English and Nepali informal and formal speech. In English, verbs don't change. Informal speech depends on construction and direct speech. And for formal speech, full forms and polite words are used. And in Nepali, pronouns and verb endings change. In informal form, the subject such as तिमी, ऊ, उनीहरू is used. And for formal speech, subject such as तपाईँ, उहाँ, उहाँहरू is used. And respect is built into the grammar itself. Now you can speak formally and informally in all persons and in all three tenses. Use formal speech with your friends and equals, and use formal speech with your elders, teachers, and professionals. So thank you for watching this video till the end. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more intense Nepali classes. So see you in the next video. धन्यवाद.